Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we are going to learn about how to find out the HCF and LCM, the highest common factor. So highest common factor and least common multiple. We have learned about the factors and the multiples before. So there are two methods to find out this the HCF and LCM. So we'll learn about the first one. The part one is part A is 24, 30. So we are going to solve part A first. So what we are going to do, we'll find out the prime factorization. We'll do the prime factorization of 24 and we'll find out its prime factors. So this is 2, it's divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, still divisible by 2, 2 6 are 12, still divisible by 2. So this is 2 threes are 6 and still divisible by now it's not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So we can write it 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Right. And then we'll find the prime factorization of 30. So this is 2 15s are, then it's not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3, 3 5s are, and the 5 1s are. So it would be 30. So we'll start from here. So 2 times 3 times 5. So let me, okay. Now the HCF is HCF, highest common factor. The highest common factor is the commons only. So 2 is common, 1 2 is common, 1 3 is common. So these two are commons only. So this is the HCF 2 times 3. So that is equal to 6. This is your answer. Okay, and what is the LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple LCM is equal to, that would be commons and non-commons both, because multiple contains which is divisible by both of these. So that should contain all of these and all of these to divide that number, which is called LCM, because this is the LCM. Like as I told you before, that 18 is divisible by 3 and 18 is divisible by 6. So this 3 is called its factor, 6 is called its factor, and 18 is called its multiple. This is multiple, right? And these are the factors. Okay. So we have to find out a number which is divisible by both of these. So this should contain all these components. So we'll start with this. This 2 is non-common, 2 is non-common, this is common. So we'll write it once. 3 is common, so we'll write it once, and non-common, so we'll write it once. Okay, this will become 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So this is the LCM. So LCM will be equals to 8 3 is 24, and 24 times 5, 5 4 is 22, 5 2 is 10, 12. So 120. That's your answer. Okay, sometimes we do it like this, that we have done the prime factorization of 24. This is 2 raised to the power of 3. So numbers. Okay, so 24, we can write it as 24 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 into 5 into 2 raised to power 3 into 3. And 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. So that's your choice that you do it by using this method or by the previous one. I like this personally because the students don't do any mistake in doing this because they just compare this and how many are common and write it to find out the HCF and commons and non-commons ones to find out the LCM. So that makes very easy for the students. But a few, students prefer like doing this because that's a long way to write down all the factors. So they write it in the index form. I mean, like this. So, so for HCF, they take these lowest pars of the par is 1, par is 1, par is 1, par is 1. So for HCF, they take only the common factors. So common factor is 2 and 3, their lowest pars. So which one is the lowest par of 2? That's 2 raised to power 1. And what is the lowest par of the common factor 3? That's 1. So they use it to find out the HCF, and LCM they find out by taking the highest pars. The higher par in the common, this 2 is 3, 2 raised to power 3, and the next is common 3, the highest par is par 1, and non-common is 5. So they take the higher par of the commons and non-commons and and non-common. So this will become 120. So another way to do find out the HCF and the LCM is that you use this method, that 24 and 30. So what they do, they start dividing by the common numbers, which can divide both of these. So both of these numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 1 left. So this is 10, 2 fives are 10. Now both are not divisible by 2. This is divisible, but this is not divisible. So we'll divide by 3. So 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. Now there is no more common divisor. So they leave it till here and say that HCF is equal to, because we are finding out the common factors only, so that would be 2 times 3, and that is equal to 6. So for LCM, they use the same method in this way, 24 into 30, and we start dividing by the first number. Both of these are divisible by 2, so we'll keep on dividing till even 1 is divisible by 2. Keep on dividing the by 2, but the if even one number is divisible by 2, like 2 12s are, 2 15s are. Now we'll not stop dividing till this is divisible. This is not divisible, and if it is divisible, we'll keep on dividing 1. So 2 6 are 12, and this will be the same. And still divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6, and 15 will remain the same. Now both of them are not divisible by 2, so we'll stop dividing by 2. Now the next prime number is 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Now not divisible by 3 anymore, so 5. So 5 ones are 5, 1 will remain the same, and 5 ones are 5. Now if when you get 1 1 in the last, so this is your LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, and this is 120. So you can use any one of these methods. It depends on you which method you feel comfortable and feels easy to you. Now, the first method, second method, or third method, uh, this one. So I personally prefer this one because I've seen in the last 26 years that students, they actually don't do that. Actually, they least mistakes in finding out the HCF and LCM. So if you are good at your calculations, you can use this one as well, and this one as well. No problem. I told you it depends on you which method you are more comfortable. So the next question is 42 462. 42 462. I think the video will become too long, so we'll do two methods, two questions only. This is 42 462. Part B is 42 462. Let me confirm it once again. 42 462. Okay, so we'll use the first method. So 42 prime factorization. So divisible by 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are not divisible by 2. So divisible by 3, so 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are. So we'll write 42 equals to 2 into 3 into 7. And then 462. So divisible by 2, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are. Not divisible by 2 anymore, so we'll check by 3. So add them. So 6 divided by, okay, divisible by 3. So 3 sevens are 21, 2 is left, and 21, 3 sevens are 21. Then it is divisible, not divisible by 3 because 7 plus 7 is 14. So divisible by 7, 7 elevens are, 11 ones are. Okay, now 462 is equal to 2 times 3 times 7 times 11. So HCF is common. So these are common. So this is 2 square into 3, sorry, into 7 and 42. And LCM is commons and non-commons both. So common, 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 and non-common. So 2 into 3 into 7 into 11. So 11 twos are 22 and 11 fours are 44, 46. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. So we'll take another example. Like we have two numbers. N is equal to 2 raised power of 3, 5 raised power of 2, and 7 raised power of 7, and M is equal to 2 raised power of 2 and 5 raised power of 3 and 7 cube and 11. So find the HCF and LCM of the N and M, the two numbers N and M. Find the HCF and LCM. So what we are going to do, there are two ways that you can use this. Is write N again. That 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. and m as 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, sorry, into 7 into 7 into 7 into 11. Okay, so 5 was 3 times, so we have written 3 times. 5 was 2 times, so that's cube 3 times, and 7 cube 3 times. Okay, so common HCF is 2 is common, 5 is common, 5 is common, and 7 is common. So HCF will be HCF 2 times 5 times 5 times 7. So whatever I've taken this, I've made this question now by myself. So I don't know what would be the correct exact answer. Okay, that would be, let me multiply. This is 10 and 35, so 350. Okay, LCM would be commons and non-commons both. So that would be 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, and 5, 7, 7, and 7, and 11. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 11. Okay, so multiply all these and you'll get the answer. And if you use the second method, which I told you, that the higher power and the lower power, by using the higher power and the lower powers, so that would be n is equal to 2 raised power of 3 and 5 raised power of 2 and 7, and m is 2 into 5 raised power of 3 and 7 raised power of 3 into 11. So by using this method, you can say that HCF, the common factors, highest powers of the common factors. So highest power of the common number is 1, because 2 is divisible by both of these. 2 is common in these two. So 2 raised power of 1. And in 5, 5 square is common, because the highest common factor is 5 square. Both are divisible by 5 square. So 5 raised power of 2. And in 7, the highest factor is 7. So that's 7. So this is the answer, and LCM is higher powers of the commons and the non-commons all. So higher power, multiple of, in these two numbers, the multiple would be the higher power. So 2 cube, 2 raised power of 3, and in 5 square and 5 cube, that would be 5 cube, and in 7 and 7 cube, that would be 7 cube, and the non-common, obviously, that comes with this, and you can multiply this. Okay, hope you have understood the concept of finding out the HCF and LCM.